Are you hungry for the latest news and trends from the internet? Welcome to What's Cooking on the Internet, your one-stop shop for discovering the hottest digital delights. Hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
Can the Justice Department's actions be seen as a threat to the independence of the U.S. legal system? Comment below, what do you think? The Justice Department's decision to fire more than a dozen employees who worked on criminal investigations into President Donald Trump has left many wondering about the implications for the independence of the U.S. legal system. In a move that has been described as norm-shattering, the Justice Department said Monday that it had fired the employees who worked on Special Counsel Jack Smith's team. The abrupt termination of the career prosecutors is the latest sign of upheaval inside the Justice Department and is consistent with the administration's determination to purge the government of workers it perceives as disloyal to the president. The firings are effective immediately, and it is not clear which prosecutors were affected by the order. However, it is known that the employees who were fired played a significant role in prosecuting President Trump, MP, and the acting Attorney General, James McHenry, has stated that he does not trust these officials to assist in faithfully implementing the president's agenda. This move is part of a larger effort by the Trump administration to exert control over the Justice Department, which has been investigating him for years. Trump has long sought to exert control over the department, which has investigated him both during his first term and during the last 4 years under former Attorney General Merrick Garland. The Trump administration has also moved to replace senior career officials with loyalists, including the replacement of the first FBI director, Christopher Wray, with Kash Patel. This has raised concerns about the independence of the Justice Department and the potential for politics to influence the outcome of investigations. The firings are also seen as a way for the Trump administration to take revenge on lawyers who worked on the investigations into President Trump. The investigations, which were led by Special Counsel Jack Smith, resulted in separate indictments that never went to trial and were ultimately abandoned. The action is the latest in a series of moves by the Trump administration to undermine the independence of the Justice Department. On his first day in office, Trump issued sweeping pardons and sentence commutations to the more than 1,500 supporters charged in the Jan. 6 riot at the U.S. Capitol, a massive clemency grant that benefited even those found guilty of violent attacks on police, as well as leaders of far-right extremist groups convicted of failed plots to keep the Republican in power. The firings have been widely criticized by legal experts and civil liberties groups, who see them as a threat to the independence of the Justice Department. This is a clear attempt by the Trump administration to politicize the Justice Department and undermine the rule of law, said one legal expert. The impact of the firings on the independence of the Justice Department is still unclear, but one thing is certain. The move has sent shockwaves through the legal community and has raised concerns about the potential for politics to influence the outcome of investigations.